Okay, Bobby.
Okay, Mama.
Wait, now you're scaring Mama.
Don't be scared.
There's some missing from those bottles.
Not much. I'm ready to cool it down and spice it up at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Margarita Mousse. Now, this came out of Paula Deen Celebrates, right?
Yes. So I've got 4 eggs that I've separated, Bobby.
All right.
I've got 4 yolks here, and I used the 4 whites in the meringue that we're going to fold in.
Okay.
So why don't you add 1/4 of a cup of lemon, 1/4 of a cup of lime juice, 1/4 of a cup of your triple sec, and 1/4 of a cup of your tequila.
Okay.
So you can just measure
It's got to be 1/4 of a cup, or can I?
No, well, you can eyeball it, but
I can make a little more for
you know, if you and what I'm doing is I'm just beating my eggs until they're like fluffy, my yolks. All right, that should bring you up to 1/2, a little bit more.
Well, I was leaving a little room.
There you go.
I know what you were doing. Extra something else.
Listen, I know what he was doing.
Let's see, a little triple sec.
That should bring you to 3/4.
Yeah, and it does.
And then the last.
Little tequila.
Tequila. Still a little shy. A little bit more. There you go. Whoa!
What?
You give somebody an inch and they take them out.
All right.
Now
this is flammable too, so let's go ahead and get that in there.
Yes. So let's get that in there, and then we can cut on our heat.
All right.
Okay.
So there's that.
And we'll just turn on the eye kind of over like medium heat. All right, but before we do that, let's add our gelatin. We're using 1 pack of unflavored gelatin. So we're gonna put that in there so that can bloom in the warm liquid. So I'll just give that a stir. And then now you can go ahead and add 3/4 of a cup of the sugar.
Okay.
And I'm gonna zest, oh gosh, about a teaspoon of fresh lime. Doesn't that skin from that lime look good?
It does, and it smells good too.
Good, 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 good.
That smells so good.
All right, now let's go ahead and get our egg yolks in there before it gets too hot. It's just that easy, Bobby. All right, so about 3 minutes. You can see that our egg is done. Now we would let this cool, pour it into a container, and put it in the refrigerator. And I have one down there that's already cooled.
In the fridge?
Yeah, so if you want to grab that out of the refrigerator, we'll let this cool, and then we'll have enough for another batch. And we'll come on down here and put our mousse together. That's it.
There it is.
That's it. So, you know, I told you we had our 4 egg whites down here that we have just made a meringue by adding a little bit of sugar and cream of tartar, and we've just beat those till we form stiff peaks. So just put that in your bowl.
All right.
And then we're gonna fold in some fresh beaten whipped cream.
All right. Don't want to mix it.
No, you wanna fold it, so that means a little bit softer, gentler hand. And take that. Using this, you can use the same, there you go. Because these are all going to wind up together anyway. And then we'll take our chilled custard, just going to dump that in. And you just fold those ingredients together, and just that easily, we have got us a wonderful margarita mousse down, around, and over. This is just going to be nice and cool and refreshing.
Because everybody knows tequila's refreshing.
I have drank that before, and I hadn't felt so refreshed the next day.
Okay.
Okay, this looks good, son. We're going to put it back in the refrigerator and let it chill again.
There's nothing like fresh homemade whipped cream.
No, nothing like it. All right, so, son, that's ready. Just stick that in the refrigerator. So I want to show you what your mousse is going to look like.
Good.
Isn't that yummy? Mm-hmm. All right, now I'm using a margarita glass. I've got a little lime juice right there in the plate. And I'm going to rim this in sugar. So it'll kind of have the look of an authentic margarita. And then I'm just going to pile our mousse up in our margarita glass, just like that. Just going to pile it in there. Then I'm going to take a wheel of lime, and I'm going to kind of just make us a mint flour. And see how pretty that looks? Okay, I see it's pretty. Okay, we'll stick you a little cream right there. So dig in.
Look at how beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is beautiful.
You would just never know that you've been to so little trouble. But it's perfectly delightful for the summer.
Oh.
You like it?
Oh.
Well, here's to you, Sonny boy.
You.
One of the spiciest men in my life.
Cheers. That is awesome.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.